Hi all, welcome to Wall Street on Mobile here on TCM. My name is Michael, I'm the analyst and the content creator here on the channel. So we have give or take 4 minutes for this recap. It's now after 12:30 here on Wall Street. If you remember the first recap this morning in the pre-market, we talked about 4 stocks that are going to be very interesting to watch today. One definitely lived up to its expectation. Let's take a look at the VKTX. One of the actually best performers on the negative side, VKTX. That's Vikings Therapeutics. Huge gap, you can see here a huge gap down, and then the stock basically dropped from 25.50. I mean, the initial move started pretty much at 25, anywhere between 25 and 25.50, and capped at 23. So this was pretty much as much as I see so far today, the move lower. Now we are back at the VWAP. As you can see, we are being rejected at the VWAP. Let me just increase the chart a bit so you can see it better. Well, not that great. Anyway, those who are looking for an additional trade short, anywhere you enter, the stop loss should be above the VWAP, and the VWAP is at 24.80. So if you enter now at 24.20, it's a 60-cent risk. You could have entered at 24.50. Again, the best trade, no question asked, the best trade today was this one here at 25.50, and then maybe at 25. And the stock really delivered a move down to the lows of the day. At that point it was 23. It may retest 23 later on. I mean, if this failure to move higher kept by the VWAP persists. Now let's take a look at the real loser today, PLTR. Big sell-off day for PLTR. There are a couple of reasons for this move. Maybe profit taking, maybe some options action. Obviously there were so much negativity building up into the stock, where it's running higher and higher without basically any stop, and now some short sellers are basically piling into it, or hinting at piling into it. Anybody that piled into Palantir stock short over the last year got hammered really bad. So anyway, one of the short sellers is thinks the short seller thinks that a $40 price target is what Palantir is worth right now. Maybe it's right, maybe it's wrong. Anyway, you can see here again the same phenomenon that we saw in VKTX. The VWAP really holding the charge higher. Amazing intraday indicator. Please watch it if you are looking at charts intraday. So let's go very fast and watch MDT. A bit disappointing to watch MDT. Sorry, let's watch first PANW, which was also on our long list. Obviously, totally not happening. Basically, the stock traded lower, broke the lows of the day. You can see here at 186, and sorry, it was 180, yeah, 186, and it's now at the lows of the day, moving actually deep into the gap. Too bad. And let's take a look at MDT, and that will be the last call for this brief. Nothing. I mean, if at all it has delivered a beautiful triple bottom at 87.50. It's now trending higher. I mean, the market is actually trending lower. If not, I would have said let's maybe try a long play over 89.50. But on the other hand, you can clearly see how in this case the VWAP is playing a role and supporting the price action at 88 or under 89. So maybe another idea will be to buy with a limit order this pullback up to the VWAP in MDT and use the VWAP as the stop loss. Okay guys, we promised 4 minutes, it's 5. We never keep our word. Thanks for being here. Do like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.